Good morning, welcome to Sunrise Grand Hotel. This is the front desk. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I'd like to make a reservation next week.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your full name and the dates of your stay, please?
Anna Reyes. I'll be staying from the 18th to the 21st of this month.
Thank you, ma'am. May I kindly spell out your name for accuracy? It's Anna, A-N-N-A, and for Reyes is R-E-Y-E-S. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you, Miss Reyes. Would you like a deluxe room or suite?
A deluxe room, please, with a king size bed.
Noted, ma'am. Before I finalize your payment, what would you prefer, card or a cash upon arrival?
I'll pay by credit card upon check in.
Thank you. May I also have your mobile number for our contact records?
Yes, it's 09633909575.
Thank you, ma'am. Your reservation is now confirmed under Ana Reyes for 3 nights from November 18 to 21. Check-in is at 2 p.m. and check-out is at noon. May I have your email for confirmation booking?
Sure, it's annareyes@gmail.com.
Thank you. We look forward to welcoming you to Sunrise Grand Hotel.
Good job for confirming all the transfer information number that accuracy and reservation for the booking details.
Yes, ma'am. I also emailed the booking confirmation now. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Sunrise Grand Hotel. You have any reservation?
Yes, I have.
May I have your ID and booking confirmation as well?
Here's my ID and my booking confirmation.
Thank you, Ms. Reyes. Deluxe room, 3 nights, correct?
Yes.
Here is your ID and your booking confirmation.
One more time to check in on this.
Thank you. Your room number is 101. Breakfast served from 6 to 10 a.m. Enjoy your stay, ma'am. Thank you.
Excuse me, my shower doesn't have any water.
I'm very sorry to hear that, ma'am. I'll contact the maintenance right away.
Thank you for confirming us, ma'am. If the issue can be fixed, we'll arrange a room transfer for you.
It would be appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm very sorry.
Housekeeping, please send someone.
Copy that, ma'am. I head there immediately. Pillow flat, smooth surface, no wrinkles. Room looks perfect.
Hello? Is this the front desk department? This is room 101 and could I have an extra blanket and some toiletries, please?
Certainly, ma'am. I inform the housekeeping right away.
Thank you.
Housekeeping, please prepare one set of toiletries and also one extra blanket for room 101.
Copy, ma'am. I will deliver them immediately.
Thank you.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Housekeeping.
Yes?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Joseph from the housekeeping department. Are you Miss Anna Reyes?
Yes?
I'm here to deliver an extra blanket and toiletries.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure, ma'am. Please call anytime if you need assistance.
Okay, I will.
Room with D&D signs. I'll skip for now and come back later. Respecting privacy is important.
Hello, is this the front desk department? This is room 101. I'd like to have my laundry picked up.
Certainly, ma'am. I'll inform the room service right away. May I place you on hold for a moment?
Okay, sure.
Room service, please arrange your laundry pickup for room 101. The guest is expecting you.
Copy, ma'am. I will proceed to room 101 in 5 minutes.
Thank you.
Room service. Room service. Room service.
Yes?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Rhoda from Room Service Department. Are you Ana Reyes from Room 101? I'm here to pick up your laundry, ma'am.
Yes, I am Ana Reyes.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, you may come in.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, here's my laundry. Please return them by evening if possible.
Absolutely, ma'am. Before I take them, ma'am, I will just check if there are any visible damages, ma'am. Everything looks good, ma'am. No visible damages, ma'am. I will also need your signature for the laundry form for your acknowledgement, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Your laundry will be handled carefully and will be delivered before 6 p.m., ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
I've received a report about a misunderstanding between you two yesterday. Please talk it out calmly.
Yes, I told the housekeeping to clean the room 502 quickly, but it wasn't ready when the guest arrived.
I apologize, but I wasn't informed that a guest was checking in early.
I see. It seems to be a communication gap. From now on, please confirm through our system before assigning or confirming room cleanliness.
I agree. Better coordination ensures smooth operations.
Yes, ma'am. I'll make sure to update the status right away next time.
And also, I'll double check for assigning rooms. Sorry for the misunderstanding.
That's the spirit. Teamwork and respect. Remember, we work for the same goal, guest satisfaction.
Manager, we need to post a vacancy for a front desk clerk.
Great idea! Include in the job ad that we're the digital first hotel using mobile check-in and smart room systems. It will attract tech-savvy applicants.
That aligns with the current trends, using technology for better guest experience. We could also start online staff training modules to improve service consistency.
Excellent! Continuous learning and innovation are the key to our property success.
So I'd like to thank everyone for their cooperation today.
We handled the complaints well because we communicated clearly.
And that's the teamwork we want to see. Respect, communication, and professionalism.
You all did great. Let's continue improving our service quality and support one another. The guest experience depends on our teamwork.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you going to check out today?
Yes, I enjoyed my stay and your staff were all very accommodating.
We're happy to hear that. Ma'am, may I ask about your experience for our feedback form?
Everything was great and I'll definitely come back.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a safe day.
Excellent teamwork, everyone. Let's keep the hospitality alive every day.
Thank you, ma'am.